What up, what up, what up? This is Mars right here. So stay tuned. This is Fault Line Fishing. What up, what up, what up? This is Mars right here. I'm with my sub right here.
Isaac.
Check it out. Isaac.
How you guys doing?
Check it out. Isaac. About to do some bass fishing in this beautiful lake. Kind of more of a pond actually. It's pretty small. Anyways, beside the point. Check it out. So my goal is to get him to catch a fish. Woo. Let's see where we're gonna start at. Down that way. Oh, this water is clear. Hasn't gone dirty yet.
Oh, they're gonna love this right now, bro.
There you
Never caught a fish on top water yet.
No?
Nope.
Go for it, let her rip. Just start casting, dude.
Wow. How much was it, bud? Second.
Nice, nice. You're getting there, you got one down.
The spell, the sheet, the moan, the coldest places that you ever have known. The deep, the blow, the speed, the show, the feeling like it's always time to go. The constant strain, up and out, the slyest moves and the quickest mouth. The razor sharp, the zero defense.
Here goes, catching bass on a rainy day.
But I forgot the rest. The lies you tell, the deals you break, the feeling when they really fucking take the bait. The smooth, the sweet, the so discreet, the feeling when you make them get out of the seat. Now the way that you would crawl around, the time consumed, baby, to take me down. The reason why, well, I must confess, the almost causes I forgot the rest. Then under the light of a full moon glow.
Yeah. Guess on what?
Lizard, I don't know.
Guess on what I got it.
A swim bait.
Nope.
Senko.
Nope. Good old fucking tube, dude.
Of course.
Damn, look at
Beautiful.
that. Oh, barely got him too. There we go. We gotta use a tube. Bam, got him.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, dude.
Sorry, we're filming.
Beautiful.
Right now, too.
No problem.
Woo, look at him. And on the first cast, bro. Jiggle it. I barely left him too, dude. He's hot, dude. She's gonna get followers because of her, dude. I'm gonna tell her that too. There you go. Yeah, it's something. You thought it was. It's all different. It all depends on how they. My subscribers just went up. Yeah. I'm good. good day to drill, man. Always. Reminds me of those little jigs they use for trout. That's where I got the idea from. Back to one of those mini jigs. And there will be fish like the new, not the old.
When you woke me up this morning, your expression was different. In fact, it looked like you were quite scared. You couldn't say a word, you just pointed to the window. Shit, fucking zombies everywhere. Well, I told you this would happen. The dead have come back clapping, and you can see that look in their eye. They've come back for a redo, and now they wanna eat you. So tell me, are you ready to die? You wanna know what's on my mind? Run, it's zombies.
You didn't bring one?
They gonna sneak up from behind. Run, it's zombies.
See that new Panther movie? From the comfort of my house.
So we gather up the ammo, the guns and fucking blammo. These walkers, they don't stand a chance. Make sure to aim for the head, or else these fucking undead still will be on the advance. Well, I told you this would happen. The dead have come back clapping, and you can see that look in their eye. They've come back for a redo, and now they wanna eat you. So tell me, are you ready to die? You wanna know what's on my mind? Fucking zombies! They gonna sneak up from behind. Run, it's zombies! Now we are partying out west in the way where the buffalo roll. And this is the way we're living today, cause this is all that we know. When I told you this would happen, the dead have come back clapping, and you can see that look in their eye. They come back for a redo, and now they wanna eat you, so tell me, are you ready to die? You wanna know what's on my mind? Run, it's a base,
bro.
They're gonna sneak up from behind. Run, it's zombies.
Oh, you wanna get caught again? Is that it?
I think he does. Just let him drop. Just let it drop. It counts.
Ready? Imagine though, that'd be sick.
All I did is I cast it, let it sink, and then worked it this way, and then it was on, dude. Honestly, I didn't feel the bite. I just felt it heavy, like if I got it stuck on like a piece of that grass or something. Yeah, we're gonna have to be constantly on the move, dude. They're moving. They're not in one spot.
Alright, day's not over till your sub fucking catches a fish, alright?
You have to catch a fish, bro. Come on, that's the challenge. Challenge is for you to catch a fish here.
New challenge, update, okay guys?
Update.
We gave up on top water, but new mission, land.
What up, what up, what up? Check it out. Update number dose. We are sipping on Coronas. Right? And tell them what happened. Tell them what happened, dude.
Well, I got skunked. Like I've never been skunked before. Not even a nibble. Not even a nothing. So, we'll be back another day. And we're going to finish this challenge for sure, though.
We gotta finish this challenge. Yo. And follow
me at Isaac 97 Alvarez. All one word. Instagram. Check it out. There it is.
So deuces. Catch you guys later. Stay up. Once again, give me some feedback. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, let me know what I can help you guys with.
Cheers.
Cheers.